Alright, the vacuuming is done. We've pre-sprayed all the carpets. And this carpet back here that had some stains in it, what we did is we pre-sprayed it and then we raked it in with the carpet rake for multiple directions because it had some pretty dark, just dirty footprints. Looks like when people came in the house, they just went straight through here for some reason. It's to the bathroom, but that's the traffic pattern just went right across here. So all of this in here was darker than that. It's already lightening up a little bit with the pre-spray. So he's working on that bedroom back there, and then we're going to do the living room, which will be the main part I'll put the camera back on for. So we're cleaning this 2-bedroom apartment. We're going to show the living room on camera. So that's what's coming up in this video. So stay tuned. Alright, we're doing this room in here. Back up a little bit. This room, if you watched our pre-back video, I did a walkthrough and you can see there was a really dark traffic pattern going right through here to that closed door, from this door here. And we pre-sprayed it and raked it in with the carpet rake. So he's going to try to clean this bedroom real quick. We'll see if it leaves a pattern behind. Don't know how much water's in the machine. While he's getting started on that, we still have this, we're going to do this whole living room here on video, which is coming up, but we're going to show a little bit of this bedroom, but not a whole lot. We're not going to do the whole thing on the camera. It's the only spot in the whole carpet that was dirty. It's the traffic pattern. And the pre-spray pretty much took most of it out. It lightened it quite a bit, so. Out of water, I'm just going to stop the video here. And he's out. I'll show you the final results when we rake it. Yeah, I'll show you the final results when we rake the carpet, and you'll be able to tell if it came out or not. So
it'll come out.
We'll come back on here in the living room in a minute.
It'll come out because they always do.
Yeah. All right. Finished that room. Raked it. There's a dark spot, probably right in there. That's where he spilt a little water, so that'll dry up in a little while. And this carpet will lighten up as it dries. It's pretty damp. It's kind of, for January, this is the 19th, it's kind of muggy today. This is Central Texas.
It's hot.
It's kind of warm and muggy for January, and yesterday it was like 10 degrees.
It's almost 70 degrees.
Yeah, so it does...
when you're working though, it gets you hot.
Texas, the weather changes all the time in this part of Texas anyway.
Carpet cleaning is easy work, but you sweat when you do it, that's for sure.
Alright, we're going to extract this living room real quick. I don't know how much water's in the machine, so he may have to stop and refill it. But
I always do anyway.
Yeah.
Alright.
there's the other room we did. With the pre-vacuuming and everything, we haven't been up here an hour yet, so so for a 2-bedroom apartment with a small machine like this, we actually can move fairly quickly. We had to spend a little time on those stains in there. On a really clean carpet, we can go a lot faster than this. That's one of the things that I'm always telling people about the Rug Doctor versus a lot of other machines that are out there. He just did the carpet along the edge here, and he went right up to the edge of the baseboard. Because of the way they do their brush on the Rug Doctor, where it does the back and forth motion, it cleans the front and back of the carpet as it moves. Instead of a rotating brush, it lays the carpet down and only cleans basically one side. And you can clean in one pass, one backwards pass in most circumstances, instead of having to go all the way forward and all the way back to make a full pass. So one of the biggest advantages, especially on big empty rooms, is that you can clean the whole width of the machine. You don't have to go back later with another method and fix the gaps. The little gap that's showing right there, that's from the front of the machine where the vacuum shoots out, but that carpet's clean underneath because he went the other direction. So if you look at this room, because it's just a typical room, typical hallway. There's another, just a typical room. And you can see you actually have to do a lot of edge cleaning. So if you want to get a machine that will clean the full width, it gets right up along the walls when you're running it along the walls and it cleans the whole width of it. The Rug Doctor is the only machine on the market that really can do that. Everybody else with the roller, brush roller, they have to have bearings on the end. And they have to have a gap where the belt runs because they're belt driven. So the Rug Doctor's brush design gives it a unique advantage over other cleaning machines. Now Hoover steam vacs, they use little rotating brushes, but they don't quite clean full to the edge because of the way they're designed, there's still a gap. The Rug Doctor doesn't really have a gap. There's a slight one, but it's not a noticeable gap. Sounds like the machine's getting empty. Yep, there it goes. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here because we got to change out the water in the machine and we'll be right back. Alright, this is the final result. I don't know if you can see down there. The living room looks good. There may be a piece of this video missing because we had a technical difficulty. I don't think the camera was recording about a 6 or 7 minute segment, so you guys missed out on all the pithy comments.
Possibly.
Yeah, we gave away the whole secret to this whole thing, and I guess it didn't get recorded, so we'll probably never do that again anyway.
Oops.
Alright, and then another view from here. The carpets came out pretty good, and these weren't too bad, but they still look nice and lush, which is what we want. This carpet in here is still drying, but it's going to look good. It had a lot of dark traffic stuff in it, but no, it came out pretty good. So check the video description for links and everything like that for products and things. And till next time, thanks for watching.